Hello.
Hi.
Um, so this is my friend, and this is me. So,
Allie. Dana.
yeah,
Not our real names.
just
Random.
random names. So, I'm going to go like this and use this to paint her nails, and let's see how it turns out after I'm done. Did I already do that now? Yes.
It's a really pretty job.
Thank you.
This one went out good.
I didn't.
My bed's messy. No, we should clean our room.
No, it's fine. That's what happens. Don't let a person that can't see paint your nails.
Okay, well, it's my turn. It's in my pants, by the way. Here's the marker.
Here.
Okay, let's start this.
Nice job. That's awesome, Dana. Good job. Okay, we're done. This is what happened. She pretty much colored on my fingers instead of my fingernails.
I thought it felt
Like, look at the thumb. Okay. Bye.
Bye.